Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude. In today's video we are going to be making a delicious party style Nigerian jollof rice. Let's get cooking. To make our jollof rice, we need a delicious stock. Okay, that is why jollof rice is very tasty and delicious. Here I have fresh garlic, habanero pepper, onions, fresh ginger. We are going to blend it. So here we have the meat. We are using goat meat, okay? And we want it to be tasty. So we are going to add the blended pepper and onions. Spices, fresh ones. Then here I have all this, okay, curry powder, bay leaf, garlic powder, ginger powder. So I'm gonna add it. Then salt. I'm gonna cover the pot and allow it to cook for a while before adding water. So it's been cooking on its own stock. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up and then add more water because we need that stock. That is why jollof rice is very delicious, because you cook it with delicious broth sauce. Okay, tomato sauce. When you add the meat broth in the tomato sauce, it makes it delicious. So we are gonna add some water so that we can cook it properly, because goat meat is tough. Allow it to cook properly, but not overcooked. So we're gonna be using a tomato puree. When you are cooking jollof rice, there are two things that you have to be careful with when you are cooking jollof rice. And the main one is how you cook your tomatoes. You have to fry it properly, very properly. Reduce the water and the tanginess as it fries, so that when you add the broth, it will taste good. That is the secret of a successful, delicious Nigerian jollof rice. Another thing is how you season the broth, the meat. You need fresh broth, okay? Season it properly. That is also the secret ingredient of every Nigerian cooking. Delicious broth. Also, we are going to be adding bell pepper for flavor and color too. I'm using a tomato puree because I don't want water. Okay, so I use tomato puree to blend the here is where the job starts. I have to fry these tomatoes, okay, so that it will reduce the liquid in it. Fry so much it will reduce before you add the stock back. That is how your stew or your jollof rice will taste good. You add water now. You mess everything up. So I'm going to cover it to stop it from splashing. Then we reduce it. You have to be patient. We have our long grain parboiled rice. We are going to boil it once again and wash it to reduce the starch. So when you see your tomatoes like this, we've been cooking this for an hour, okay? It takes time, but you have to cook it gradually, reduce your stove so it doesn't get burnt until you get to this stage. Properly fried tomatoes. So we are going to season it properly. Jollof rice simply means cooking your parboiled washed rice in a tomato sauce, seasoned tomato sauce. Add more seasoning. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to soak up the tomatoes. Cover the pot and allow it to cook. So when you are cooking with a non-stick pot or pan rice, you keep mixing it up so that it will cook evenly. Okay, it will cook evenly. Jollof rice is almost ready. Today we cooked Nigerian jollof rice. So this is the result. It's still wet, so we are going to cover it up. Our rice is ready, and it's time to dish it out. Look at that. So today, goodness me, John. So today we cooked Nigerian jollof rice, and it's very, very delicious, inviting, fluffy. Can you see that? We've come to the end of this video. Okay, I want you to share it, share this video, comment, ask a question, and I'll be getting back, okay, to you. This is what we cooked today. It turned out well. Bye, and God bless you.